Hi and welcome to another Type with Me. In today's video I want to talk about the output element. Do you know the output element? Well, it's quite of a secret, right? But I think it's a very cool one. So the output element represents the result of a calculation performed by the application or the result of a user action. Right, so I prepared some kind of examples and one of them is here the output. So what we will have here is a form where we have the result dot value, and it's equal number a value plus number b dot value, and you need to know that the output can be used with this name result, and we can put dot value on top of it, which makes it really powerful, right? So let me show you how this looks like in the browser. So it looks like this in the browser, and what we could do now here is, for example, put this one here and this one, right? And you see here that my output is changing, and you saw that the HTML is very easy. No JavaScript or little JavaScript, right? The dot value, result dot value equals, and then these two values, and we get this one, right? So if we now go to example 2, you see here that I will have a little bit of JavaScript. So I have my input number X, I have my input type number Y, and I have my ID product. And what we could do now here is say we want to get the element by ID X, and by ID Y, and then the product. So you then can do here is do the update where we have product.value, and then we multiply it, right? And here we say that you want to listen to the update of the input, and here to the update of the to the update of the input of the Y, right? So let's see how this looks like in the browser. Right, so if we now start using this, right, and we're doing this, and then here we're doing this, you see that's very responsive and can very easily work with our numeric inputs and our output. And then the last example is also a very easy, simple interaction, right? We pick a number, and when we pick a number here from the minimum to the maximum, and we jump by 5, we can set here our output value, right? On input we say value output dot value equals range dot value, which is then also very great to indeed output what a certain calculation or a certain manipulation on the page are. I think the output element is really great. And actually I didn't know about this element, so I came across it by surprise, but I think it's really a cool one. So I just wanted to see what you could do with it, and how you could interact with it, which is really nice, actually, in my opinion. It also has great documentation on the MDN website, so definitely go take a look. And like you see here, its baseline is green, so no issue to use it in your website. So I hope you enjoyed it and that you learned something from it. I think it's a great addition to it. A lot of people know the input element but not the output element, right? So I think that's a great one. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more of these kind of videos.